What's up guys, today I am going to teach you how to move character in Scrap Junior and how to create a sound effect also. So let's begin. First of all, I remove this cat. So I remove this cat, then I click this image button. See, I click this button, then I choose bedroom, then I pick baby, then I click this and choose Kanchan, then I put here Kanchan, and then I go in Arnav script, then I choose I click this yellow button, then I choose flag, then I choose this button, and I put counter 5, then I touch this, then I play. Wow, 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 wow. Then I attach it. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Then I click content script. Then I choose flag. Then I choose this, and I put here. Oh, my babies fall down. Oh, my babies fall down. Then I save it. Then I see. Then I remove this mom and baby. Then I save it. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Arnav's Creative Life channel. Thank you.